Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create adjustable reference lines in Tableau. This is a powerful feature that allows you to dynamically control reference lines in your visualizations, making your dashboards more interactive and flexible for analysis. First, let's open the Tableau website. Navigate to tableau.com in your browser. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to sign in to your account by clicking the Sign In button. If you're working locally, you can also open Tableau Desktop or Tableau Public directly on your computer. Now that you're signed in, it's time to create or open a workbook. Click on Explore at the top of the page, then click New, which will bring up a drop-down menu. From this selection, choose Workbook to start fresh. Next, we need to connect to your data. On the Start page, you'll see a section labeled Connect, where you can choose your data source. This could be an Excel file, a text file, or even a database connection. For this tutorial, click on Files and select Upload from Computer. Browse to find the dataset you want to use in Tableau, select it, and click Open. Once your file has finished uploading, click Publish Now. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your workbook, so type something descriptive, and then click Publish to continue. For our sample visualization, we'll use the Total Sales field. Locate this field in your data pane and drag it to the rows shelf. This creates a basic view that we'll build upon with our adjustable reference line. Now head to the top menu bar and click on Analysis. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Calculated Fields. A calculation window will open where you'll need to type sum followed by an open parenthesis. At this point, total sales should auto-fill, though the exact field name might differ depending on your dataset, so adjust accordingly. After completing the formula, enter a name for this calculated field, something easy to identify like profit, and save it. Let's add this newly created field to your visualization. Under the Marks tab, drag the profit field into place. Once it's added, click on the left measuring axis of your graph and select Add Reference Line. In the Reference Line dialog box, click on the Table Radio button, then under Values, choose AGG, followed by your profit field in parentheses. Set the computation to sum and click Close to apply these settings. Now we're going to create the adjustable parameter that makes this reference line dynamic. Head to the left navigation menu and look for the drop-down arrow. Click on it, and from the options, choose Create Parameter. Enter a descriptive name for your parameter, leave the data type set to float, and set the current value to 1. Change the display format to percentage so it's easier to interpret. In the same parameter window, under Allowable Values, choose Range, then click Add Values From, and select your Total Sales field. This pulls the range from your actual data. Adjust the minimum value to 0 and the maximum to 100, then click OK to create the parameter. Now we need to edit the calculated field we created earlier. Click on the profit field and select Edit. To make this field responsive to our parameter, simply multiply it by adding an asterisk symbol, followed by your adjustable parameter's name. This links the two together, so changes to the parameter affect the reference line. Finally, click on your adjustable parameter in the data pane and select Show Parameter. You'll now see an adjustable slider appear on your dashboard. By dragging this slider from left to right, you can dynamically control your reference line and watch it update in real time on your visual report. And there you have it. You've successfully created an adjustable reference line in Tableau that gives you interactive control over your data visualization. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.